Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Learn with Surbhi, and we are learning algebraic identities. We have already learned many things about this topic. You can go through with those topics by just pressing the I button that is given at the top right corner of this video, and also I have provided the links in the description of this video. Today we will learn how to attempt the different type of questions under the topic algebraic identities. Let's start. Value based questions. Question number 1. In the vacations, Gautam purchased x square plus 8x minus 20 game CDs while Sanyam purchased x plus 4 whole square game CDs. Who purchased more CDs and by how much? इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से पहले हमें इस algebraic एक्सप्रेशन को खोलना होगा. Using identity first, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, we will get x square plus 2 4s are 8x plus 4 4s are 16. इसको देखते ही हमें पता चल रहा है कि संयम has purchased more game CDs as this is plus 16 and this is minus 20. We have to subtract this algebraic expression from this. Let's see how we will do this question. X square plus 8x plus 16 माइनस, जब ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस है और जब हम ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? वी विल गेट माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. दिस प्लस साइन विल कन्वर्ट टू माइनस 8x. दिस माइनस 20 विल कन्वर्ट टू प्लस 20. नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर आपस में क्रॉस हो गए, वी गॉट 0 ओवर हियर. प्लस 8x माइनस 8x आपस में क्रॉस हो गए, वी गेट 0 ओवर हियर. प्लस 16 प्लस 20 वी गेट प्लस 36. सो संयम परचेज मोर CDs बाय 36. Number 2. On the Earth Day, cubical flower pots with plants of base area x square plus 6x plus 9 square units were placed on a rectangular lane of area x plus 3 multiplied by 7x plus 21 square units. Suppose this is the rectangular lane और इसके अंदर हमें cubical flower pots लगाने हैं जिसका base area. What is the shape of the base of a cubical flower pot? It will be a square shape. इस base area कि कितने फ्लावर पॉट्स हम इस रेक्टेंगुलर लेन के अंदर सेट कर पाएंगे जिसका एरिया हमें दिया हुआ, दैट इज x प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7x प्लस 21. इसको करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? टोटल एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर लेन डिवाइडेड बाय द बेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूबिकल बॉक्स. सो वी विल गेट x प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7x प्लस 21 divided by x square plus 6x plus 9. In this algebraic expression, we can take 7 as common. So we are left with x plus 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by x plus 3. Denominator में हमारे पास factors होंगे x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. ये factors आप खुद निकालिएगा. x plus 3 crossed by x plus 3, x plus 3 crossed by x plus 3. So we are left with 7 flower pots. Question is, find the product using suitable identity. A plus 3 multiplied by a minus 3 multiplied by a square plus 9. Dear students, we can see for these two terms we can use the identity third, that is a square minus b square, where a is equal to a and b is equal to 3. So using identity 3 we will get a square minus 3 square. Write this term as it is, that is a square plus 9. Just mark bracket over here. We can write it as a square minus 9 a square plus 9. Now again we can use identity third, where a is equal to a square and b is equal to 9. You can write it as a square whole square minus 9 whole square. So the answer will be a raised to the power 4 minus 81. In this question, the value of x square plus 1 by x square is given, that is 6. And we have to find the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. Just do the square of this algebraic expression. So we will get x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 6 raised to the power 2. अब इसको खोलिए तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? x square raised to the power 2 plus 1 by x square raised to the power 2 plus 2 multiplied by x raised to the power 2 multiplied by 1 by x raised to the power 2 is equal to 36. x square क्रॉस हो गया x square से और यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या बचा? x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 plus 2 है. अब हम इसको राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाएंगे तो हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? 36 minus 2 and we get 34. x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4, we get 34. The next question we have to find the value of k, this k. If x y square k is equal to 4xy plus 3y whole square minus 4xy minus 3y whole square. Just consider this term as a and this term as b. So we can write it as a square minus b square. So use identity third, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we will get a plus b, that is 4xy plus 3y plus 4xy minus 3y multiplied by a minus b, that is 4xy plus 3y minus 4xy will convert it to minus 4xy minus 3y will convert it to plus 3y. अब देखते हैं हम इसमें से कौन सी चीजें क्रॉस हो सकती हैं. प्लस 3y क्रॉस बाय माइनस 3y, 4xy क्रॉस बाय माइनस 4xy. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद 4xy plus 4xy, that is 8xy multiplied by 3y plus 3y, we got 6y. To find the value of k, we get 8xy multiplied by 6y divided by x y square. Y square crossed by this y and this y. X crossed by x, so we are left with 48. So the value of k will be 48. यहाँ पर अगर आपको डाउट होता है कि हमने y स्क्वायर को इन दोनों y से क्रॉस क्यों किया, as we know y square is equal to y multiplied by y, और यहाँ पे भी तो वही है y multiplied by y, इसलिए ये दोनों y क्रॉस हो गए y स्क्वायर से. x क्रॉस हो गया x से. 8 multiplied by 6, we get 48. The next question, if a square plus b square is given, that is equal to 9, and value of ab is given, that is 4, and we have to find the value of 3a plus b whole square minus 2a minus b whole square. कोई टेंशन नहीं लेनी, बहुत इजी है इसको सॉल्व करना. आप इस एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन को खोल दीजिए. हमें क्या मिलेगा? वी गेट 3a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. अब इसको खोल दीजिए. वी गेट minus 2 a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now put the values of a square plus b square and value of ab over here. We get 3 multiplied by value of a square plus b square is 9 plus 2 multiplied by ab. ab is given, that is 4 minus 2 value of a square plus b square, that is 9 minus 2ab minus 2 multiplied by ab, that is 4. अब हमें क्या मिलेगा? 3 multiplied by 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 9 17 minus 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 we get 1 and 2 1s are 2. 17 3s are 51. 51 minus 2 we get 49. In the next question, if a plus b plus c is given, that is equal to 12, a square plus b square plus c square is given, that is 64, and we have to find the value of ab plus bc plus ac. For solving this, we have to use the expansion of the square of a trinomial. We have to square both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. What we will get? We get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 multiplied by ab plus bc plus ac is equal to 144. Square of 12, that is 144. Now put these values in this expression. A square plus b square plus c square, that is 64, plus 2 multiplied by ab plus bc plus ac, that is equal to 144. Then we will get the value of AB plus BC plus AC. That will be equal to 144 minus 64 divided by this 2. We get 80 divided by 2, that is equal to 40. चलिए जल्दी से इन क्वेश्चंस को देख लेते हैं. Part 1, 7x minus 9y, 7x minus 9y. We can read it as 7x minus 9y whole square. So we can use identity 2, that is a minus b whole square. Part 2, this is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we can use identity third and we will get a square minus b square. That is 6ax whole square minus 5by whole square. In part 3, consider 3 by 4 p square as a, 2 by 3 q square as b. So we can read this expression as a plus b whole square. So using identity first, you have to solve it by yourself. Part 4, consider x as a, 3 by 4y as b and minus 4z as c. So use identity a plus b plus c whole square to solve this. Part 5th, this is x plus 2y multiplied by x minus 2y multiplied by x square plus 4y square. We have to do this question in steps. Using identity 3, for these two algebraic expression, we get x square minus 2y स्क्वायर. ध्यान रखेंगे ब्रैकेट हमें कंप्लीट 2y का लगाना है. नाउ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2y होल स्क्वायर. हमने क्या किया? इस 4y स्क्वायर को 2y होल स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. क्यों किया? ताकि हमारे इन दोनों अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस में बेस कॉमन हो. Now, in this algebraic expression, consider x square as a and 2y whole square, consider it as b. So, we can write it as a minus b multiplied by, consider x square as a plus 2y whole square, we considered it as b. So, we can use identity third, that is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. हमें क्या मिलेगा? a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू a क्या है हमारे पास? x स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, b क्या है हमारे पास? 2y होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज 4y स्क्वायर raised to the power 2. So the answer will be x raised to the power 4 minus 4 4s are 16, y raised to the power 4. Part 6, we have to find the product of this. Let's see how we will do this question. Dear students, this question is very easy. बस हमें steps में करना होगा. Using identity 3 in these two parts, we get x square minus 1 by x square. बाकी टर्म्स को हमने एज इट इज लिख दिया. नाउ फॉर दीज टू पार्ट्स अगेन वी हैव टू यूज आइडेंटिटी थर्ड, दैट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, वेयर a इज x स्क्वायर और b क्या है हमारे पास 1/x स्क्वायर. तो x स्क्वायर का जब हम स्क्वायर करेंगे वी विल गेट x रेज़ टू द पावर 4 और b का जब हम स्क्वायर करेंगे हमें क्या मिलेगा 1/x रेज़ टू द पावर 4. इस पार्ट को हमने एज इट इज लिख दिया. अगेन यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी 3 we have considered x raised to the power 4 as a, 1/x raised to the power 4 as b. So using identity 3, that is a square minus b square, what we will get? We get square of x raised to the power 4, that is x raised to the power 8, minus square of 1/x raised to the power 4, we get 1/x raised to the power 8. Question number 3, express the following as square of a binomial and evaluate for the given values. Values of x and y are given. अब आपको क्या करना है, इसके लिए आइडेंटिटी यूज करनी होगी. फॉर दिस वी हैव टू यूज आइडेंटिटी फर्स्ट, दैट इज a plus b होल स्क्वायर, वेयर a will be 2x and b will be 3y. So we get 2x plus 3y whole square. Now put the values of x and y in that and get the answer. Do it by yourself.